Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase travel rewards with Delta SkyMiles, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your travel rewards with Delta SkyMiles, start by understanding how the program works. Sign up for a Delta SkyMiles account if you haven't already. Visit the Delta Airlines website or download the Delta mobile app. Once logged in, explore the SkyMiles earning options available for flights, hotels, and car rentals. Book your flights directly through the Delta website to earn maximum miles. Consider using a Delta SkyMiles credit card for everyday purchases to earn additional rewards. Keep an eye out for promotional offers that allow you to earn bonus miles for specific flights or spending. Join the Delta SkyMiles dining program to earn miles when you dine at participating restaurants. Enroll in the SkyMiles shopping program to earn miles on online shopping at various retailers. Review your SkyMiles balance regularly to track your earnings and rewards. Take advantage of SkyMiles partner airlines to earn miles on international travel as well. Use the miles for flight upgrades or to book travel for friends and family. Plan your travel during promotions or sales for additional earning opportunities. Consider purchasing miles during promotional periods if you're close to a reward threshold. Stay informed about changes to the SkyMiles program to maximize your benefits. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your travel rewards with Delta SkyMiles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.